Good morning, my dear. You people repair satellite cables here. I said you people repair satellite cables here.
Yes, my father repairs everything.
Okay, thank you. So where's he at?
He's inside the shop.
Thank you. Good day, my dear man.
Who give this?
Good day, my dear man. Excuse sir, something is wrong with my decoder and I should
Go and buy me this thing. Where's my change?
Let me drop this. It's inside the box.
Something is wrong with my decoder and I should guess it is the satellite cable. Hey man, can't you hear me?
When you're ready to talk to me, you talk to me. I know here these things when they talk.
I can't get no pictures with this.
Picture.
Television stations.
Oh! Hey! These foreign boys. Okay. You're talking like Johnny Bush. So I don't understand. TV station, which station?
CNN and Al Jazeera.
CNN and Al Jazeera?
Al Jazeera.
CNN and Israel. Israel.
It's not Al Jazeera.
Okay. I mean American television and Iraqi television.
Me. Iraq and America again. They fought and spoiled it now.
You're funny.
Have you forgotten that America and Iraq, they fought and spoiled the cable. They fought inside the cable and spoiled your TV. And you want me, Nicodemus, to come and begin to settle them, to repair this thing? Please. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. I cannot repair this thing. If you want to repair it, you can go back, go and settle them. They will do it for you. Put it inside your bag and leave this shop. I beg, please. God bless you.
This is incredible. I can't believe this.
Which credit? You can even eat the money, no problem. Eat it.
What's the problem?
What did you say? Iraq.
And America. Maybe they bombed the IC of the TV.
Hi! Abi, all these war people, and they fear them.
Oh, you expect me to be smiling, Abi?